Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to go over two stocks, Amazon, AMZN, and KHC, Kraft Heinz ketchup. These are because one of my loyal subscriber has requested that, and I just saw his comment, so I decided to do this video for him. Okay, so right now we are looking at Amazon, AMZN. Same thing. The one all the way on the right is a monthly chart, weekly in the middle, daily chart on the left, and 3, 2, 1, 3 lines. Right, two sets of trading signals and one set of indicators. So let's look at the Amazon monthly chart first. We're looking at the monthly chart right here. So Amazon is a very unique stock. Okay, this we look at monthly chart here. Everybody see these confirmed blue gold long signal. Okay, there's two previous ones. Those are back in, let's see, when was this? Let me take a look. Back in about, let's say, June 2014, and I label A and B here, and November 2014. So it's a very nice loan if you got loan in Amazon back then. Okay, now the past few months the market has been quite a turmoil. Everybody see that, and it could not really drop below the purple line right here, and as a result, this month we have triggered another confirmed long signal, and this chart is actually very similar to the SPY chart previously, right everyone? It's actually very close to the SPY monthly chart that we mentioned numerous times before. Like this is the SPY. Let me blow up the chart. Right, everybody sees it's kind of quite similar. Okay, and for Amazon, okay, so these are the levels we have to watch out for. 1492.96, that's the purple line. If you drop below that and substantially and confirmed, then maybe there's because Amazon is one of those big large tech stock along with Apple that's pretty much like the they call a market stock, the market leaders. Okay, and especially in the area of technology like NASDAQ index is very important. So maybe there is something interesting to maybe this bear market after all. But if not, like right now it doesn't look like it is, that it's trying to build a base right here along these 1596 and 1616 ish level. These two numbers are actually fairly close. Don't forget, this is a $1,600 stock. Okay, so it seems like it's trying to build a base right there and for the next rally up. And if you look at the weekly chart, pull up the numbers. Right now, they are trading between this trading range, between the pink line and the green line, and has been so for the past few weeks. Okay, that's why the market is quite undecisive. And when we come to the daily chart, let me so the chart is right now, I have blown it up, enlarged it. This trading channel action has been going quite a while. So that's the power of these lines. As I explained in the previous video, okay, the one on SPY, when we did that on the 5-minute charts, when the price opened in between two powerful price lines, there's a good strong possibility that because these lines act as price attractors or magnets, because two lines, upper boundary and the lower boundaries, are exerting the influence on the price, they ended up going nowhere, just going up and down, up and down. That's how the trade range happened. So what happened on 5-minute chart, now you're seeing on the daily chart for the past few weeks on Amazon. Okay, so that's why the logic is always consistent. You just have to find out, you just have to know how to interpret them. Okay, so now I have shown it to you using different stocks. The previous videos in SPY, now it's on Amazon. Previous one's on the 5-minute chart last Thursday and Friday. Now here is on the daily chart. Okay, so that's pretty much where Amazon goes. Now another interesting one that people have asked me, that's my low subscriber asked me, is KHC. That's a Kraft Heinz company. And as we know, there's a big scandal happened. So these are the price levels. On the monthly chart, there's not too many data here. So I'm not going to worry about the monthly chart too much. But if you look at a weekly chart right here, there's a confirmed sell signal right before the big drop. But to be honest, this signal is only triggered because the market went down. So as we can see, the market kind of gapped down quite a bit right here. So you can't, realistically, you're not really gonna able to, on a trading basis, to get shorted right there. Okay, what you can do, however, in this case like this, because if you look at the charts right here, okay, again, let me enlarge the chart. So right now we are looking at an enlarged chart of this is the weekly chart. So what we can do is that right now at point A right here, okay, we have a well, there's a confirmed short signal as we saw before. You can't really got shorted there, but what you can see is that down here, these two yellow dots. These are our possible short alert signal. Okay, for Trend GPS, possible short alert signal. What you want to do is that you can look at, you see that right now it started this week, 2 weeks ago. Okay, where my crosshair is. If you want, this is for advanced players. Okay, if you want, you can say perhaps I'm gonna bet that maybe the market is gonna drop quite sharply. Okay, because look, based on the lines, if you drop below all 3 lines, the move downward is quite substantial. It could be quite substantial, right? So what you can do is, the moment the alert appeared, or when it appeared right there, if you bet that it could open gap down or open down quite a bit, you can buy out of money put option or buy some put options. Try to take advantage of this fact. Okay, a possibility. It's a possibility. It's not a confirmation, because the market doesn't have to drop, right? I mean, right here, you can do the similar stuff as well. But I'm just saying that these are possible ways to take advantage of it. But when you trade option, please realize that you not only have to get the directions correct, you also have to get the timing correct. So in this case, rather than just buy a straight naked put option, perhaps a debit put spread is better. A vertical put spread is better. Okay, I'm just spitting out these ideas for your considerations. These are not intended as trading advices. These are how you might be able to take advantage of these kind of situations. All right. So well, then that basically concludes this week's presentation. Okay, so now the Kraft, we have all these numbers that you guys can look at it. Okay, you can post the videos if you want for further analysis or for further note taking and stuff like that. So this basically concludes this presentation. Again, I'm doing this quickly for one of my loyal subscribers, and I hope you guys like it, and I will see you next time. Thank you and take care.